Gates open, they're up and racing. Ace Conveyance, some like it hot. Then comes Sweet Lorque in between runners moving up. Is Muralia. Heading towards the last 900, Ace Conveyance, Moralia, Gold Quest is by the rail, Sweet Lorque, in between runners, Dream Come True, sneaking in, down on the inside, Let Choice, Kate Ganda, Hourglass, then comes Sir Jeboy, Some Like It Hot, moving up party outside, Hudson Bodman, then followed by Olajuwon and Heran. He's running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600, Ace Conveyance by about 4 lengths, running in second now is Let Choice, then racing in third, Muralia, Kate Ganda pass approaching on the outside, racing in fifth is Dream Come True, Gold Quest, Hourglass is sneaking in down on the inside as they swing for home, Ace Conveyance now the leader, Let Choice, Kate Ganda is on the outside, with the last 150 more to run, Kate Ganda, Ace Conveyance, Dream Come True, Let Choice, with 150 to go, Kate Ganda, Ace Conveyance in second and Dream Come True, and leading the finish line, a long shot, Kate Ganda, Ace Conveyance, Dream Come True close, between Olajuwon and Let Choice, then comes Hourglass, Heran.
Ayun. Yun ang connection sa Pearson Pirate.